Okay, here we go. Starting up Bolt.diy from the terminal. Classic dark mode vibes.
It's up. Fast setup.
Terminal's showing some familiar warning logs. Nothing broken, just noisy.
Where ideas begin. I like that. Let's select Open Router and Claude 3.5 Sonnet.
Alright, so here's the magic moment. We're feeding a single one-shot prompt into Bolt.diy, and boom! The whole front end begins materializing.
It's like watching code grow on its own. No clicky UIs, no scaffolding tools, just pure LLM generation. That's Vite, Config, TS, App, TSX, even ESLint rules. Sonnet's trying to cover it all.
Yeah, we've got logic for text cleanup, code formatting, live previews, and it's building a React app on the fly. This is where the vibe coding kicks in. You prompt once, then tweak as needed.
Though you'll notice it doesn't quite finish strong. Like it lays the foundation, but the core logic's still a bit rough.
Right, the layout's there, but some buttons are just placeholders. And features like hashing or minification aren't fully wired up yet.
Next up, Claude 3 Opus. Let's bump it up a tier and see what happens.
All right, we're back in with the same one-shot prompt, but this time running it through Claude 3 Opus. Let's see if the heavyweight model can deliver something more complete.
You can already tell it's doing more. Longer generation time, deeper component trees. Bolt.diy is in full churn mode right now.
This is the part that always feels a bit surreal. We're just watching React components assemble themselves from scratch. No NPX create React app, no boilerplate tools, just vibes, a prompt, and open route.
It's like having a junior dev who just gets the task, but maybe needs a bit of guidance.
Exactly. You'll see it generating files like texttools.tsx, cleanuputils.js, and even logic for format switching. Honestly, it's building out more functionality than Claude Sonnet ever gave us.
Okay, code's generated.
Starting with text cleanup, let's remove extra spaces.
And the layout? Still a bit cramped, but way more intuitive than the last build. Buttons are clickable, logic's wired up, feels like an actual tool now.
All right, final run, and we're going with DeepSeek Chat v3. It's a free model on OpenRouter, and honestly, we weren't expecting much.
But wow, this one really surprised us. Same prompt, zero changes, and just watch how the generation kicks off.
You'll notice it's moving fast and with intent. DeepSeek doesn't hesitate. Layout, component logic, configs, everything is coming together.
It's like it understood the full picture. You can see files like textutils.ts, hashtools.ts, even password generators, all getting created in one sweep.
Also love that it's building UI logic and handling the underlying transformations. No dead buttons this time.
It's what the earlier runs were trying to be. Clean, complete, and functional. And it didn't cost us a single credit. Gotta love that.
If you're experimenting with Bolt.diy locally, DeepSeek might just be your go-to for rapid prototyping.
Okay, now we're in. Let's test it. Clean up text, switch to camel case, generate a UUID. Everything's working. And honestly, this version feels production ready.
If you want the full breakdown, model comparisons, costs, prompts, check out the blog post.
Or grab the DeepSeek version from GitHub and try it locally. Links below.